Welcome back. We have looked at how to use Google Scholar. Let's now look at how we use Endnote for citation in a scientific work. There are some other tools that you can use for referencing, to manage your reference. And the one that we're going to be using today is Endnote. Okay, so we'll go through a number of these: how to import citation from Google Scholar, from journal websites, how to attach PDF to a reference in the Endnote, and how to insert the citation into Microsoft Word, and how to format it. So three major things. Okay, we will learn how to import. We will learn how to attach the PDF if we find the material. Okay, attach the PDF and insert the material, the citation, into MS Word and format it as the case may be. Okay, so let's get on with that. So this is my Endnote platform. This is what it looks like. So here you have all my references that I've used in several different works so far. Okay, and I can also create a group, okay, that captures specific types of literature, so that it's easy for me to know what this particular literature is about. If I click on each one of them, it will show me here on the right hand side here a preview of what it's going to look like if I put it in the APA format. You can see this is the style that I'm using. Okay, if I change to Harvard, this is what it's going to look like. If I change to Vancouver, this is what it's going to look like, and so on and so forth. Okay, but I'll stick to the APA format, which is what we use currently, so I'll stick to that. So as I'm clicking on each one of them, I can see what it looks like. As you can see, where you have this clip, it shows that I have attached a PDF to that particular document. So that particular reference rather has a PDF attached to it. If I click here, it shows me the document, the particular literature that is attached to that reference. Okay, so now let's do an example. Let's go to Google Scholar and let's import a citation. So remember, we have the PDF for this. So let's import this citation: intimate partner violence, HIV, mental health, a triple epidemic of global proportion. Let's cite this particular work. Okay, I click on cite. If I click on my Endnote, on the Endnote link here, it asks me if I want to open it. Okay, then I say okay, and automatically this will take me into my Endnote. Voila, it's here showing, see, intimate partner violence, HIV, and so on and so forth. International Review of Psychiatry, volume 28, issue 5, pages 452 to 463. Easy peasy. So now the next thing we want to do is to attach that particular the material with this reference. We want to attach it to this work. So let's go here. We have it saved here. We have it open here, so we can save it. Okay, as you can see the title. Okay, we click on this download button and say save it. Okay, let's save it into download. Okay, click save. Okay, it's now downloaded and saved. So if I go back into this, I can now say attach a file. I click on this clip and I go into my library. I saved it in my document. and I can scroll to, let's sort it by date so that we click on the most recent one. Where is it? Is it there or is it in another? I'm not sure. I remember. Let me go back there and be sure where it was saved. Open containing folder. It's in the download. Okay. So let's go back there. Libraries. Where is the download? Okay. Downloads. Okay. Intimate partner violence. Okay, voila. Once I select it, now this particular literature or reference has now, we have added the materials to it. So whenever you need to, you go to that reference, you know exactly where the material is stored. So if I click on this, it brings up the material and I can read even directly from here. Okay, so this gives me an opportunity to keep track of my literature. Okay, so this is how you import from Google Scholar. So what if we want to import the citation from the website of the journal? Okay, let's go for another one. Let's look at this particular one that was done in 2018. So let's go to the website. We can click here or we can click here. So let's go open in a new. Okay, let's come here. There you go. Here is the website. It's also an open access journal, so which means we can download the PDF and save it as well. So let's download that first. Okay, the same procedure. I usually like to save with the title so that way I can keep track of what I've downloaded so far. So it's asking us for the name. I'm going to paste the name here. It will not like the colon, so I'm going to get rid of that colon. Okay, now the document is saved. Okay, we go back. Now we want to cite this article. Okay, we click on this cite article. It's going to take us here. Okay, now we click download citation. Voila, it's asking us the question, what do we want to do? We want to open that particular file. It's importing. Yes, I want to save what I did earlier. Voila, the document is here. The reference is here. Domestic intimate partner violence among these, and here you go. So instead of you copying and pasting of the reference into your document, this platform provides you the opportunity to import things, the reference or the citation directly into a reference manager. If I want to attach the PDF, you remember what we did before. This is the document, domestic violence, domestic and intimate partner violence. I click OK, and voila, the document is here. Okay, so this is how you import citation into your work, okay, into your reference manager. So the next step now for us is how do we make use of this material, this citation, this reference in a Microsoft Word. This is my Microsoft Word platform. As you can see, there is Endnote here. Okay, that is the link that provides me the opportunity to move between Endnote here and my Microsoft Word. Let's say after reading the material, I want to cite any of these authors. Let me go back. Okay, I want to cite one of these authors. Rates of violence. So let's say I want to report what this author has highlighted. Africa has one of the highest rate of domestic violence in the world. Okay, this is a statement of fact and it must be referenced. Okay, I must add a citation to it. The source must be specified. So in this case, maybe I'm taking that from this, so I can go into my Endnote, domestic violence and intimate partner. This is the one. If I'm not, let me be sure. Domestic and intimate partner violence. Okay, so that is the one. So I look for it. Okay, let's say I'm not sure, I don't know where it is, but I know okay, so I can look for it here. Domestic. Okay, that's it. So that's the one I'm looking for. I can now say I've selected it. I don't need to do more than that. Okay, so I come into my Microsoft Word. We click on Insert Selected Citation. Voila. Now that particular citation has been imported into my work. I can say full stop. I can continue doing other things. I can also do like this, according to. So let's see what I can just glean out of the previous one we had. Okay, okay, let's go into this and see. Let me just glean a little bit of facts from what they have highlighted. According to this author now, intimate partner, John Mitchell, so intimate partner violence. So let me look for that. Okay, intimate, looking for that in my, okay, this is the one I'm looking for. You want to save changes, that's fine. I don't, okay, because we added PDF, we have not saved it, that's why it's asking that. Intimate partner violence, this, yes. So if I want to write something based on what they have reported, let's say we want to use this, we want to cite what they have reported here. Okay, according to these people, so I can bring that citation in. Okay, but this is not the appropriate way it's supposed to be. So you right click on the citation and you go to edit and you say author and year. Okay, according to Mitchell, Wright, Van and Rochard 2016, about 30% of women going back are affected by intimate partner violence, HIV and mental health issues. Okay, let's be sure. Okay, the global okay, at the global across the globe are affected by intimate partner violence, HIV and mental health issues. You can continue writing other things you want to write, but now I've shown you how you do in sentence citation, okay, and what you do at the end of a sentence citation. Okay, these are the different way, and as you can see, we are following the APA format. So automatically, as you're bringing in the citation, it goes at the end of your work. So we have covered how to import your citation into your EndNote from Google. Okay, from Google Scholar, you use cite here. Okay, cite, EndNote, and from the website, you use the link that is provided on the website where it says cite the article, okay, or citation tools. You use that to import into your EndNote, okay, or any other reference manager that you have. And if you have PDF, you can insert and save the PDF, download the PDF, and link it to your citation within EndNote. So you have a platform where you can save all of them in one place. That brings us to the end of this session, and I hope you can explore more. You need to do more to explore how to really take full benefit of this EndNote or reference manager platform. There is a whole lot more that you can do. So happy exploring. Bye for now.